requests for a cooking recipe. Tonight I'm gonna make some of my chili, and it's very nutritious and satisfying. My kids like it. It's hard to find a meal that they all three like, so this one works. But we're gonna get started by finely chopping a bell pepper. I found this one at Sprouts and it's really cool because it's striped, but you can use any kind of bell pepper. I'm gonna finely chop an onion. I'm gonna go outside and get 3 of my Fresno chili peppers that I'm growing. I'm gonna finely chop 3 of those. I'm also gonna use with these, as I saute them in some olive oil, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of ground chili flake, crushed chili flake, and it has seeds. Leave this out if you're afraid of heat, makes it hot. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, about 6 cloves. I've got 2 tablespoons of Italian herb seasoning, and I'm gonna put a teaspoon of salt at the end. If it's not seasoned enough, I might add a little bit more salt. So I'm gonna chop this all up first so you don't have to watch me doing that, and then we'll get started. Okay, so we're gonna start sauteing this. So you're gonna turn your heat up to like medium high, and then we'll just put a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Actually, like 1.5 tablespoons is what I put in this. So I've got the chopped onion. I just use a white onion, yellow, white. Then I've got the chopped bell pepper, put that in. Gonna put here's the Fresno chili pepper at the end. I seeded it, so take the seeds out because it needs the seeds in there, and this is gonna be really hot. Fresnos are fairly hot, a little hotter than jalapenos. So I'm gonna saute that for a little while. My favorite thing to use is my wooden spoon. So that's simmering up. I'm also gonna add the garlic. I wait a bit to add that because your garlic has, I'm holding my camera, sorry, but the garlic has the ability to cook a lot faster. So add that last, give it a little stir in there, simmer that up. A few more minutes. The meat, the ground turkey's added, you're gonna wait and brown it, just stir it up and brown it in there. That's cooking really nicely. We're gonna add our crushed tomatoes, a large can of crushed tomatoes, and then we're gonna add pinto beans. I drained it. Not all the juice, but most of it. And then we're going to add some red kidney beans here. Ooh, like that. And then the white kidney beans, the cannellini. Start stirring that in.
What is that amazing smell? Oh my gosh. It's Mrs. Boyt's world famous chili. I can't wait to put it in my mouth.
I've made one. This is like a Frito boat version, but honestly, something that's really good. I could eat a whole bag of these jalapeno cheddar things, cheddar crunch, whatever they are. They're so good. So get you some chili. You could eat this with crackers. You could eat it with bread. You could eat it with just plain by itself. But I'm a big cheese lover, so I'm gonna put cheese on there, put it on the chili, let it melt, get all melty in there. And then I don't like to put my Fritos on the bottom because I don't like them to get soggy. So then you can add your crunchy stuff, crackers, whatever you want. Then you add that to the top. You could break them into pieces if you want. And then I like a dollop of sour cream on there. I just always like sour cream on chili. You don't have to add that. You can add some avocado. I like fresh avocado, but you can also add chopped green onions, chopped red onions, which I like and my kids like, or you could add chopped cilantro. Enjoy your chili.